Hi, Melissa. Welcome.
Hi,
How are
thank
you?
you.
So what would be your dream product?
I would like to keep the color in. I don't want to strip it. I don't want to damage it. You know, I don't want harsh ingredients.
Well, what if I told you I had just the right option for you? Something that's silicone-free, sulfate-free, soap-free, paraben-free, and even free of harsh salts.
I'm very intrigued.
The cleansing conditioner line is from Matrix Biolage, the leading professional hair care brand, and all their products are completely color safe.
Awesome. Well, let's do it then.
So there's this really easy diagnostic test that you can do to find the right cleansing conditioner for your hair type.
Okay.
And what you do is grab an individual hair strand. How does your hair feel?
I feel it.
Yeah, that means you're actually medium texture. Once you get it on all of your hair, you're gonna wanna set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, perfect. That's all the time I need to shave my legs in the shower.
Exactly. What's left is the cleansing agents, which are gently gonna slide off any dirt and impurities that's on your hair.
Oh wow, it feels really clean.
So I'm gonna use the Biolage leave-in treatment for medium hair.
Okay.
And this is gonna help detangle your hair, give it a little bit of definition, and provide some nourishment. All right, so now I'm just gonna give you a quick blow dry and we're gonna be all done.
All right.
All right, well, there you have it.
I mean, that's amazing, George. I mean, it feels so healthy. It looks so shiny. Thank you
Yeah, of
so
course,
much.
of course.
Amazing.